logarithmic equations as exponential equations. Write the following logarithmic equations as exponential equations. In order to do these problems, we need to recall the definition of a logarithmic equation. So if we have a base that's greater than 0 and not equal to 1, and the function f of x is equal to log base b of x, then the logarithmic equation is defined as y is equal to log base b of x if and only if b to the y is equal to x. So we want to use that idea to write an equivalent exponential equation for the given logarithmic equation. So for the first problem, we have log base 5 of 25 is equal to 2. So here, our base is 5. So we want to take our base of 5 and raise it to a power of 2 is equal to the 25. And this one we can easily verify. 5 to the second power is indeed 25. So for the logarithmic equation, log base 5 of 25 is equal to 2. The equivalent exponential equation is 5 raised to the second power is equal to 25. In a similar manner, we'll do problem number 2. Here we have log base 3 of 81 is equal to x. Using the definition of a logarithm, the base is 3, so we have 3 raised to the power of x is equal to 81. So for the logarithmic equation, log base 3 of 81 is equal to x. The equivalent exponential equation is 3 to the x is equal to 81. For problem number 3, we have log of 10,000 is equal to x. So in this problem here, the base is not written. This is known as the common logarithm. And the base of the common logarithm is 10. So to emphasize, I could rewrite this as log base 10 of 10,000 is equal to x. And I want to rewrite this equation as an equivalent exponential equation. So our base here is 10 raised to the power of x is equal to 10,000. So the equivalent exponential equation for log of 10,000 is equal to x is 10 to the x is equal to 10,000. For our last problem, we have the natural log of y is equal to x. So the natural log has a base of e. So this is the natural logarithm. And the base of the natural logarithm is e. So to emphasize, I could say, well, this is the same as log base e of y is equal to x. So in this case, our base is e. So to write the equivalent exponential equation, we have e raised to the power of x is equal to y. And so for the logarithmic equation, the natural log of y is equal to x. The equivalent exponential equation is e to the x is equal to y. And those are 4 examples of writing logarithmic equations as exponential equations.